In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, juice bar channel, and so salad bar is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. Anyway, I'm gonna be making a very healthy smoothie drink. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. This can be for detoxing your body also, and you can drink it every morning, drink it 5 times a day, 5 times in the morning, 5 times whenever you like to drink it. It's up to you. Very nice. It's gonna be cucumber, spinach, and celery with some lemon. Alright guys, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, but not too much. Enjoy it. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So basically we're not going to be using no honey. It's a natural drink. So first thing we're going to put some spinach inside of the blender like this. Because the spinach and the cucumber is very good. The spinach is iron, cucumber is very good for you. You know, so alright, so we're gonna put some celery. If you want, to be honest guys, you can also put the natural honey inside of it, but you know, if you're doing a detoxing or a weight loss, you don't need to do those things. I'm gonna put a piece of a cucumber inside of it. Because the cucumber, 95% of cucumber is just water. Alright? Squeeze half of a lime juice. Look at that. No seeds, nothing. Just amazing. And that's exactly what you needed. Apple cider vinegar is a must. With about a teaspoon. Some water. Keep it real. Can't go wrong. Cover it. And we're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 seconds. This is a very good blender. You can put ice if you like to, but just keep it real. Nothing go wrong when you keep things real. Look at this. See? Nice and lovely. And this is a very good drink. Alright guys? And if you have a good blender, you can't go wrong. But I'm not making a lot, I'm just making a little bit. Alright? So what we're gonna do is pour it out in my glass. This is a very good drink, guys. Honestly, I drink this before many times, over and over and over, and all I can say is a very good drink. So please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have ice and you put a lot more ice in it, it's even better. But this is a very good drink. Celery, cucumber, and spinach. Drink this at home and you will see the result. Alright guys? So yeah, give it a try, why not? And leave a comment in the description box. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned.